Hi everyone. I got this in the mail today and I thought this would be the perfect thing for my first unboxing. So come on, let's check it out. All right everyone, so here we are. This is the iPhone, the XS Max version. So let's dig in and see what we got. Pretty plastic. Stuff. Look at that. So for those of you who don't know, the XS Max is about the size of the iPhone Pluses from before. The only difference being, like the 10 in the previous model, this now has a full edge-to-edge display. So you're getting a much larger display with this phone. So we'll be getting back to that. Obviously, space gray. So comes with the headphones that I never use, but if you need a pair of lightning headphones, hit me up. I've got a million extras. And the standard charging cables, lightning cables. I don't know anyone who has too few of those. Those things come pretty readily available. So, and then that's pretty much it. The rest of it's just the box. You'll notice the one thing missing this year from previous years is you do not get the adapter that goes from the lightning port right there to the standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you're needing one of those, you're gonna have to shell out a pretty penny for one of those from Apple, because as far as I know right now at this point in time, that's the only place you can get one. But that is what you probably all wanted to see. Is that pretty new little phone. So I'll take this off. We'll get into the actual phone itself. I must say that the bevel on the sides is really shiny compared to previous models. And I think if it looks to me like the camera bulge is quite more larger than it's much deeper. There's more of a ridge there than I remember on my 10. But man, I love that glossy finish front and back. Definitely a pretty phone. So there you have it. Pretty straightforward, pretty much similar to the iPhone 10. Not a whole lot of differences as far as that's concerned. I will probably post a video in a few days. Give me a couple days of the weekend or so to check out the phone and the software and that stuff. But we're gonna fire it up. You'll be able to see that thing just roll right through the Apple menu. I'll talk about experiences and stuff with it. I did have a lot of people ask about the differences between it and the iPhone 10. So for comparison, that is the 10. And that is the 10 Plus Max. So you can see, once we get to that white screen, you really don't notice much of a difference left to right, but quite a bit of difference vertical to top there. So thanks for watching the video.